Hi, today I want to show you our factory to see how we work. Please come in. First, I want to show you this machine. This is a completely automatic machine to produce iPhone battery, but it's being upgraded now. The mold is too old. The mold is for iPhone 6 and iPhone 8, but the models are too old now. So we are upgrading the mold to make it to produce iPhone 15, 16, maybe 17. Even though the machine is being upgraded now, but we're still doing a great job. We have many experienced colleagues here. You can see they are working now. They are doing tests. So come and see our products. Okay, this is our products. The out mode products. And it's beautiful, is it? We weld it with laser machine. Okay, our colleagues are doing welding. And you can see we use a machine to weld, so our welding point is very beautiful. It's clean. It's clean. Okay, here he comes. You want to see how he works? Okay.